it's funny. If anyone gets offended, it's not offensive. It's just funny. Like, why can't we just laugh at funny things?
This is true.
Hello. Hi.
And
hello.
It's worth noting that even though that we talked about it quite extensively, like, you guys are gonna have to accept that our judgment is subjective, right? Like, this isn't completely objective, so nobody should cry, you know, about it.
I am
or complain.
tears ready. If you don't pick me, I noticed that they added more gifts.
So we have a very clear first and second place.
Okay.
And then we have an honorable mention because we thought it was necessary. Usually their desk was just a mess and overflowing into the next desk. And it was just all over the place. And that person in first place who gets his or her first pick of all 3 prizes was Erin Smith.
Thank you so much for this recognition. It means so much to me. I want to thank my parents, Mom, I love you. I want to say thank you. Thank you to everyone who's inspired me. Thank you to everyone who supported me in this mission. And that's my time. Thank you.
The second place winner for most improved after Erin belongs to Alice.
I normally don't love things. I'm like, okay, whatever. I love this. Look, it's a tea leaf strainer.
Our honorable mention was Giselle. She didn't quite make first or second place because there was still room to improve. There was always something. But she'd come a long way. She'd come a long way from her heap of I mean, it was out of control. Giselle gets the amazing and awesome Echo Dot, which is really exciting. You guys, do you remember Manira who sends me honey bunches of oats in the mail? This is her. And she's so excited to meet Selwa, and they're gonna get a nice little photo right now.
We're off to go to grab some lunch.
And some stuff for Melanie's birthday.
Wow. The wild Brittany in her natural habitat. Going to get food.
We're walking, we're about to cross the street, and then there's Amish. Oh wow. I thought that was a person. I was like, oh my god, why does he look like that? We're here getting a cake from Mel because last week Friday was her birthday and she was off. She went out of town.
When I was little, I fell off of a bed and broke my arm, and I was crying because I broke my arm, but none of the adults knew I broke my arm, and my friend's dad gave me chocolate malt white, and I shut up because they were so good, and they didn't know I broke my arm until 6 hours later.
Riveting story.
Conversation that's so important.
We love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melanie. Happy birthday to you.
What's up, you guys? This vlog contains only 2 days of the week because Ahmed and I were we went upstate last weekend. I did not even bring the camera because I was like, no, we need to just relax. So today, Selwa and I have a packed day. We're gonna go shoot quickly. And then I'm speaking at an event. And then I'm speaking, and then Selwa's coming with me, and then we'll come back, and then I have to leave again for another event, and then I'm speaking at a third event, so it's gonna be kind of crazy today. Me and Selwa are gonna get some Matt swag today. Are you excited? What's gonna be in there? I don't know, I'm just tagging along to take photos. I didn't know I was gonna get swag. Oh, you gonna get swag, girl. We gonna get swag.
You know how you could get
a pebble stuck in your shoe?
Yeah.
This morning a pebble got stuck in my open shoes.
How?
In between my toes.
Ew, I hate this story.
I was running for the train and then all of a sudden I just feel something poking me.
This is the worst story. I hate it.
It was in between my pinky toes.
Ew! Ah.
And I picked it up.
All right, this is where we need to be. We're in here, so let's go.
So we are the leading U.S. hijab brand. The hijab, of course, is the headscarf that Muslim women wear. I started the brand back in 2010. I'm actually an attorney. I was practicing civil rights law and somehow found myself with this little side hustle that after 6 years, my husband and I, we run the company together, decided that we would both quit our jobs to move to New York City and focus on the brand full time. Really the mission behind the brand is to instill confidence and make sure every single Muslim woman feels comfortable to wear the hijab and feels pride in who she is. And so everything that goes along with that.
What is this?
It's a charger. It's a portable charger, Mel.
Then I want it. Forget Ahmed, this is mine now.
It's a portable charger.
This is actually amazing. I need one because my iPhone is just starting to die. You know, like after that year mark? Well, you don't have an iPhone, but... Okay, thank you, Activate. I love this, and I'm gonna like put it in my purse right now. First of all, Activate and Vlog Lovin'. Thank you
I
for
bet
the
it's-
gift bag. What do you bet it is?
a decorative piece.
What kind?
Like a candle
Sorry
or
about it, it's not a candle.
it's a bowl.
I was like excited for it to be a candle. Okay, let's
Sorry,
find
this is-
out.
This is
I
kind
think
of
it's a coaster.
Something ceramic.
Oh my god, it's beautiful.
They are coasters!
Yeah, they're
Oh, you
coasters.
win. I said ceramic, it's not.
And you could tell they were coasters, but they're stunning and they match my gold table at home. And aren't they beautiful?
It's beautiful.
I'm so excited about these. I know exactly where I'm going to put them in my house. I got some Kendra Scott goods, which is very exciting. I'm going to Kendra Scott tonight, to their launch event. So it's going to be double duty Kendra Scott stuff. I love Kendra Scott. My mom is actually much more excited about Kendra Scott, so these will probably go to my mom. They're so
Whoa,
cute.
they would definitely see your mom. How are you gonna wear that with hijab?
Oh my god, my mom is gonna go nutsos for these. Mom, if you're watching the vlog,
Of course she is.
these are your new earrings. They're so cute. She's
Yeah.
gonna love them. Thanks, Kendra Scott. Somebody walked past us and I think complimented me or something. And
Yeah,
I was
your
like,
outfit.
oh, thank you. Being very bougie. And then Sandra out of nowhere, she's like, oh, thank you. It's so funny, like it's straight up Chinese. Okay, T2, you guys, if you watched me opening when they sent me a bunch of stuff to begin with, T2 sent me stuff, and T2 is the prize that Alice got yesterday, that she was so excited
With
about.
the little sieve thing.
Yeah, exactly. So these are just individual teas that maybe we may include in the next fun team competition.
It's not as exciting to win though. It's tea.
The tea?
Yeah.
Well, not if you're Alice, because she was dying. She was like, that.
She chose that over technology.
Yeah. Okay, apostrophe.
Wow.
Ampersand. Apostrophe ampersand. Okay, what else? There is
Chocolate.
chocolate. This is Emily Heath.
It's okay.
And it's nail polish.
Really? I've never seen nail polish come in a packaging like that.
It's so bougie, I can't handle this. Okay, the last thing in here is this FabFitFun starter box. I got a FabFitFun box before and they sent me so much stuff. This is a little starter box, so it should be like, you know, not so much, but it matches my entire outfit, first off.
Yes.
Isn't this like made for my outfit?
Yes.
Body
Almond?
wash infused buffer? Is this like a loofah?
It sounds like it. Spongelle.
Oh my gosh, it's a loofah. I'm gonna use this and figure out what happens.
Oh, you got a face mask.
It looks like a mist.
Oh.
Wish hydrating
It
face
says
mist.
mist and I just saw face.
Doesn't smell very good.
Was that a lip stain?
Oh, it's a Tarte Lip Architect lipstick and liner. Ooh! This is very exciting.
Wait, it's a 2-in-1 or on both ends?
It is a 2-in-1. On the one side,
It's a liner.
you have a liner. And on the other side, oh no, that's the lipstick. This is the liner and this is the lipstick. This
Cool.
looks
Yeah.
amazing. And this is also very much my color. That's cute. Excited for that one. Anyways, so that was all the swag from today's event.
This is what happens when Melanie comes in with like free gifts. Basically, the team starts panicking about what's mine, what am I taking, and then this one gets food, basically. It's always chocolate. And then Mahmoud is partaking in chocolate as well.
Less than 5 seconds, but it's already in Mahmoud's mouth.
You liar. He didn't steal it. You gave it to him.
Yeah, but he was
Wait, what were you saying? You got chocolate like right there in the middle of your teeth.
Hey Alice. What you doing?
Giselle just taught me how to sew a button onto my shirt.
Oh my. Is this your first time sewing a button?
It's my first button.
Oh my goodness.
But it's very simple. You just go in that hole and then out that hole. Check out how extra is this pin cushion.
It's my belly dancer pin cushion, everybody. This is my sneaky spoon, everybody. And I like to taste people's food from afar. So this is a nice way to be able to extend out, reach across the table, and taste Melanie's lunch.
What's up, guys? I'm exhausted. I have a pounding headache because every event I went to had like crazy music. I'm so old. I can't do that pounding music anymore. I literally took my entire scrunchie off in the car. My hair has been in a tight ponytail all day. I'm just like over it. I forgot my keys like an idiot because Ahmed took my bag home because I didn't want to take my backpack around to all these events. So I forgot to take my keys out, so I have to wait outside until he comes home. He's in a car though, so he's not very far. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was this week's vlog. I think that, I hope you guys liked it. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A for next week's vlog. So if you guys have any questions that you want me to answer, leave them below and then I'll gather up all the questions. And then hopefully answer all of them, if not, or some of them, if not all of them, in next week's vlog. And then it'll be a fun little intimate thing. I was also thinking of Ahmed and I doing a Q&A together. So if you want to ask questions of both of us, I'll try and get him to sit down with me. Alright guys, it's been a hell of a night. I'm gonna wait for Ahmed, go home, get in, sleep, do it all again tomorrow. Alright guys, Salam alaikum.